So boring. Well, hello there, seventh graders. Today we are going to learn how to identify proportional and non-proportional relationships using ratios. Sounds super hard, sounds super smart and intelligent, but it's super easy. It does require work. You will need scratch paper. Pause the video, get scratch paper, get ready. Okay, welcome back. We're going to do an example. We'll do two examples today. It is easy, like I said, but it is going to require you to do some work. So I apologize, but hey, this is life, and this is math, and you got to do work. All right, so the first problem is Andrew earns $18 per hour for mowing lawns. Is the amount of money he earns proportional to the number of hours he spends mowing? So the first thing we need to do is do a table. And you could write money or whatever, but I'm going to do money, and I'm going to do a T for time. And I'm just doing a table like this. It's really fancy. For real. It's for real fancy. All right, so he earns $18 for 1 hour of work. So for 2 hours of work, he would earn what? $36. For 3 hours of work, he would earn 64, right? No, $54. And so on. I'm only going to go that far. I'm not going to go real far with it. And let me see if this is the one that works. Oh, nope. Chunk this sucker. Totally made that into the trash can too. All right, so what we'll do is now we'll basically T-bow it and figure this out. So 18 over 1 is equal to 18, okay? 18 divided by 1 is 18. If we T-bow 36 and 2, if I did 36, that is equal to 18. Okay, so this is looking good. So 54 for 3 hours. So I'm going to divide 54, 3, 1, 2, okay, 18. So yes, in this instance, Andrew's earning is considered a proportional relationship because this is 18 each time. If this was, let's say, 18, 19, 20, it would not be proportional. It would be a non-proportional relationship. But in this case, it is a proportional relationship. Okay, we're back with another example. So this little word problem here, this little booger, says Uptown Tickets charges $7 per baseball game ticket plus a $3 processing fee per order. In the cost, is the cost of the order proportional to the number of tickets? Okay, so we'll do the cost here, the money, and then number of tickets, okay? Money to tickets, okay? I really did this way too big. All right, so you go that far, Randy? All right, so $7 plus 3, sorry, I already did this wrong. So it costs, if we're going to get one ticket, how much would it cost us? We're going up there, we're going to buy one ticket. It is $7 per ticket plus $3, okay? So $7 plus $3. So to get one ticket, it's $7, but then I pay $3 for them to process it. That is $10, right? Okay? Now, let's say I'm going to order 2 tickets. Each per ticket is $7. 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 plus 3 is 17. So it would cost me $17 to get 2 tickets. If I wanted to get 3 baseball tickets, $7 per ticket. 7 times 3 is 21, and 21 plus 3 is 24. All right, now I feel like I have enough to go off of now. Now we need to simplify our ratios and see if they are proportional. So we have 10 over 1, and that simplified is 10. 17 over 2. I'm going to T-bow this, see what I get. All right, 2 won't go into 1, but it will go into 17. 8 times 2 is 16. I've got 1. I'm going to add a decimal because we are talking about money. It just makes me feel better. 2 goes into, so this one is 8.5. And then we have 24 and 3, which would be 8. 24 divided by 3. All right, so if I look at my ratio simplified, I'm noticing that I have 10, 8.5, and 8, right? So those are not the same. It's not 10, 10, and 10. It's 10, 8.5, 8. So these would not be proportional. This would be a non-proportional relationship because they don't match up when we simplify, okay? So if you have questions, raise your hand. I hope that I made this as easy as possible. I feel like it was an easy lesson. And good luck on your quizzes.